Next question. Mr. Y is estimating price of Reliance to fall down to decrease, so he is entering into the forward contract with Mr. X. Highlight the portion for selling a share on 31st of July at the rate of rupees 800. If on 31st of July spot price of the security is 0, 740, 800 and so on, for Mr. Y you are required to calculate. There are two questions, profit loss, and you are required to show the diagram. Try to complete the answer and put your answer in the chat box. And draw the diagram also. So write down answer of the question. Calculation of profit or loss for forward seller. Column number 1 will be spot price of security, that is on 31st of July. Sale price, purchase price and profit loss. The question is providing the information that say we are going to have the sale price of rupees 800. So for any of the spot price of the equity share, sale price is going to be 800. The different spot price is provided to us 0, 740, 800, 0, 740, 800, 900 and 10,000. What we are going to do, we are going to sell at the rate of 800 after purchasing it from the spot market. 0 is the purchase price. So in the first case there is a profit of 800. 740 is the purchase price. So 60 is the profit once again. 800 is the purchase price. No profit, no loss. 900 is the purchase price. There is a loss of 100 rupees. 10,000 is the purchase price. So there is a loss of 9,200. This is the way the profit or loss will be calculated for different spot price. Now let us say prepare that is say draw the diagram. Again on x-axis we will take the independent factor, that is spot price of the underlying asset, and on y-axis we will take the dependent factor, that is profit or loss. So over here on x-axis spot price on 31st of July, and on y-axis we take the profit or loss. When the spot price is 0, in that case, so there is a profit of 800. So I always suggest students to start with the 0 spot price. So there is a profit of 800 rupees over here. When there is an increase in the spot price, then in that case, so the profit initially declines and then it is converted to loss. So the diagram goes like this, and again we understand that over here, if the price substantially increases, then there will be a huge loss. So there is unlimited that is loss potential. However, when you are bearish, you are expecting the price of the security to fall down, then in that case, so this is the transaction in which you can enter upon. So write down a note for this. Heading write down forward seller. In that write down first point, forward seller is expecting price of underlying asset to fall down. Full stop. Second point, forward seller will have maximum profit, comma, when spot value is 0 and there is an unlimited loss potential. Full stop. Third point, we are assuming that security is purchased on the same day, comma, when contract is expiring for profit or loss calculation. Full stop.